History. Grady-White, a prominent name in boat manufacturing, has its roots in the vision of Eddie Smith, Sr. Founded in 1959 in Greenville, North Carolina, by Eddie Smith, Sr., Grady-White began its journey towards excellence in boat design and craftsmanship. From its humble beginnings, the company steadily rose to become a major player in the marine industry. Best inventions. Grady-White has earned acclaim for its innovative contributions to boat design. The SeaV² hull, a hallmark invention, revolutionized offshore boating, providing enhanced stability and performance. Grady-White's commitment to superior hull designs has solidified its reputation for producing boats that deliver a smooth and comfortable ride, even in challenging conditions. Recent developments. In recent years, Grady-White has embraced technological advancements and design innovations. The incorporation of cutting-edge materials, navigation systems, and environmental considerations has kept the brand at the forefront of the evolving boating industry. These developments underscore Grady-White's dedication to pushing the boundaries of marine engineering. Current status. Today, Grady-White maintains its status as a leader in the boat manufacturing industry. As part of the Marine Products Corporation, the company continues to produce high-quality, reliable boats that cater to the diverse needs of boating enthusiasts.